If you want to maintain your privacy on LinkedIn and hide your online status, follow these simple steps to adjust your settings. This will help you control who can see when you are active on the platform. Step 1. Log into your account. Open your web browser or LinkedIn app and log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your settings. Click on your profile picture or the Me icon at the top of the homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Navigate to Visibility Settings. In the Settings and Privacy section, look for the Visibility tab on the left sidebar. Click on it to access your visibility options. Step 4. Manage Active Status. Within the Visibility settings, find the option labeled Manage Active Status. Click on it to view your current settings regarding who can see your online status. Step 5. Adjust your preferences. You will see options to toggle your active status visibility. Choose No One to hide your online status from all users, or select specific options according to your preference. Save your changes. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on LinkedIn, allowing you to browse the platform more privately.